Oh, what up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413. I ain't gonna say it because you can read it. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know, me chilling like always. You already know, merch, KingJaffeJoe413.com. Yo, it tells me who went to the website, and like 95% of you haven't been there. You know what I'm saying? Yo, go check it out. Just go in there, take a look. You know what I'm saying? Get you something, maybe. You know what I'm saying? Get some stickers, throw a sticker on your helmet. You know what I'm saying? So, today, what we got for you? What's today? Wednesday? Yes, sir! DIY Wednesdays. I said it right that time. All right, so what we're gonna do is, first thing we're gonna do is show you what we got today. It's a twofer. We got a twofer today, 2 for 1. First, we got the $9 mod right here, $9 Amazon horn, you know what I'm saying? A little horn piece we copped, D Rolling 3, copped on Amazon. Quick horn, you know what I'm saying? You already seen a bunch of horn videos, so this is gonna be a quickie. And we got the shifter linkage, handle. This one is from Octane Prints. You can find them on Facebook. You guys already seen the one we did from Iron Cast Customs. We did one from them. My man Brandon King said, yo, my man over at Octane Prints got something for you. I said, what you got? Send me over this right here, you know what I'm saying? Oh, so we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna show you guys one more time how to put it on. So if you do purchase one, you know how to put it on again. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with the horn. All right. All right, so let's open up this horn. Let's open up this horn. See what comes in the box. So we got a horn, two prongs, little metal thing on the back, little screw. Got a little washer on the screw. Got a little lock washer on the screw if you see it there. Yep. Then we comes with a bracket, a ground wire, 2 brackets, a ground wire, and some wire connectors. And then there's another screw with a lock washer on there. All right. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove that hood. And just give me 1 second. All right, guys, so you see I had that white hoodie on. I didn't want to get that all dirty, so you know what I did. Hit up KingJaffeJoe413.com. Grab me one of these real quick, you know what I'm saying? Threw the black on. Last one, though, so if y'all want one, let us know. We'll reorder, but. So what we're going to do is, new horn, start installing that. Hold on. That's that old horn. And let's see, let's unplug this right here. Plug this into here. Whoa. Whoa. That went from moped to Harley real fast. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be removing the old horn, 10 millimeter on the back. We got the this bolt here, I'm gonna do is gonna point it down because this horn's so much bigger. Once you put that horn on here, the hood doesn't fit. So we're gonna remove this with the 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Once we get that up, get that out the way, spin that off. You know what I'm saying? If you only want to buy a horn, I got the old one. I'll sell you that for like, give me 45 bucks and I'll send it right up to you. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna take the new horn, actually. Yeah, we're gonna take the new horn. We're gonna put it on there. So what I do is I hold the screw on the back and I spin the horn. Gets it started pretty fast. All right, so we're gonna leave the horn pretty loose. We're not gonna tighten it up all the way yet until we get the position where we want it. 13 millimeter I'm using for these here. Loosen that up like so, right? And what we're gonna do is, hold on. We're gonna bring this straight up and down like so. Just like that. And I'm gonna want it, how I'm doing mine, it's gonna be pointing straight towards the battery. that it fits so nicely how that's flat right there with the flat side here. My wires on the other side to reach. I got the 10 millimeter back there. So what I'm gonna do is tighten up the 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter tightened up. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to my 10 millimeter. Where'd I put my 10 millimeter? Here. All right, guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to my 10 millimeter and I'm gonna tighten up the horn in the back. So I'm gonna sneak right back there. Up, that's loosening it. Tighten that up right there. So I got a little bit of space between that red wire right there. It's not really on the horn that much. I got a little space right there, all tightened up. Now I'm just gonna run my wires down like so. Plug that one in. Plug this top one in. And what I'm gonna do personally is I'm gonna take a zip tie that wire right there, so make sure it's not hitting that control arm. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the control arm, make sure it's still clear, not touching it at all. So we make sure this part right here is not hitting that at all when it turns. So, and there we go, guys. We got a new horn, nice big sound. You can be heard when you're coming down the road. Hood fits on nice and purdy. Nice and purdy. All right, guys, so that's how you do a hood. I mean, that's how you do a horn real quick. Quick horn, $9, Amazon. Everyone could do it. If you're that one person that's like, oh, I'm not really mechanically inclined, it's really gonna take mechanical skills. You know what I'm saying? I just showed you how to do it in like 3 minutes. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop on to that Octane Prince shifter. You know what I'm saying? All right, you can cut it now. All right, guys, so we on the side of the bike. Over here, we're looking at the Octane print stuff. What we got here is the shifter linkage. We got that's a short one. Oh, dang. We got a short shifter linkage here. We got a little longer one they got here. Same pattern as the one that the Ironside Customs had, but you know what I'm saying? They got their own stuff here. We got the helmet mounts. We got 2 different helmet mounts here. And you look at theirs right here, this one here says Ryker right on it. That's pretty cool, right? You know what I'm saying? And just to let you know, if you need something specially made, they make a bunch of different stuff. You probably can have some stuff made. And they make these in a bunch of different colors. So you can find them on Facebook. One thing different than from Ironside Customs is that Octane Sports, what they sent me was, they sent me 2 washers and a rubber hose, little rubber hose. And how they were set up is 1 washer on each side, right? 1 washer on each side. And then the screw is gonna go through there and you're gonna screw that in. So once you screw this in there, what it's gonna do is gonna suck this down and expand it outwards. It's gonna stop that from spinning, which is freaking awesome. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install this. So obviously you guys can see, I took my nut off already. I mean my bolt out already for my thing, because I took it out before when I did the other review on these. So you're gonna pull this off. If you're gonna take this off and permanently have it off, you can just take a razor, run a razor down it and cut it. You know what I'm saying? And that's how you can do that. And then you're gonna put this on. You're gonna obviously, nah, the rubber's gonna go in the inside of here. So we're gonna stick this on here. Oh, that's a snug fit. That's a snug fit there. All right, so if you look inside, you can see that the metal thing is right to the edge of the inside. There's like a little size change. It's right to the edge of there. So that's obviously what I'm looking for. See if you can see it inside there. Right inside there. All right, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, because what you're really gonna need when you're installing these, even if you had the other ones from the other company, you're gonna need a torque bit that's not on here, because this doesn't fit down in the hole. You know what I'm saying? So what I have is an Allen key. I've taken these off with Allen keys, but I have very little room here. So I might have to cut this hose down a little bit to make it catch the first couple threads. That's what I might have to do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to cut that hose down a little bit. I don't know if this is recommended by Octane Prints, but I think it'd be easier if I get a couple more threads to poke out of there. See, that screw's pretty long before the threads start, so I wanna have some threads poke out there, outside of there before. All right, so you see that? I got some threads poking out there, so now when I get it in the hole, it won't be so hard for me to get the screw started. Not saying this is recommended by the company that makes these, but they might send you a little extra just for that reason, so you can make it fit how you need it to make it fit. All right, let's see, this Allen key's gonna work for me. It's definitely turning the screw. Oh, so oh yeah, so what I gotta do is I gotta cut more off of this, because it has to go in there a little bit of ways before it even starts. So I'm gonna cut this in half again. And cut this in half again like that, and then we're gonna throw that on there. And now look how many threads we got out of there. So yeah, see, now it's hitting before that's, now I see it, the threads are catching before that's hitting. So now I know I'll be able to get it started. The only thing is if I'm gonna have enough now to squish it enough to give me enough so it doesn't spin. Oh yeah, we gotta start it now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this, because if I had like a torque bit that had like the T handles, or the Allen key with the T handles, that's what ideally I think I need for this, because this is snug like a bug in a rug. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's on there. That's actually a snug fit. Yeah. How you guys like that with the white? You know what I'm saying? Y'all like that? Looks good, looks good. And you know what we're gonna do? Let's try out one of these helmet hooks. So I'm using the T27. So we're just gonna break that loose with the T27. Loosen that. All right. There we go. So if you guys know why I hit that like that, because when you screw this in, it pulls that, makes this wider. So once you loosen it, you hit it back, it makes it skinnier again. So that's why I hit it like that. Let's see. It's a little snug on there. Is that supposed to sit like that? Yeah. See, let's stick her in there. Tighten her up a little bit. Here we go, guys. So, here we go, guys. You know what I'm saying? Running in the store. Boom. Nice little helmet hook for you. All right, guys. So today we want to make sure we give our shout out to D-Roller3 for the horn. We want to make sure we give out the shout out to the guys over at Octane Prints. Find them on Facebook. Hit them up for your helmet hooks or your shifter. They probably could put your name on the helmet hook if you want. They got Ryker on there. They probably could put your name on there if you wanted to. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit the, I'm gonna say it again, hit up the store. Boom. KingJoffyJoe413.com. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, like, comment, share, and we'll check you in the next one, guys. Peace. Both sides done. You know what I'm saying? We got both sides done. Let me throw this in. Let me see. Hold on. I gotta start it up to put it to make it flash, but we just do it like that for you guys.